Our next contestant number 19, Lahiri Arushi. Benefits of having a pet. Benefits of having a pet. Lahiri Arushi.
Why do I smell so many humans? Oh hey, so many of them. Give me a sec. Let me scratch my ears. Ah, better. So my paw parents sent me here to tell all of you how beneficial I am to them. I would say that they're lucky to have me. As humans have parents who love and care for them, we dogs have paw parents. Let me introduce myself. I am Gelato, a toy poodle. Fun fact, poodles are the second most intelligent dogs in the world. Trust me, Border Collie cheated on the IQ test. That's why he's first. I have many benefits to provide my paw parents with. To start with, I am quite joyful and vivacious around them. I am like a living stress buster with a tail. For example, if my paw parent came back home apprehensive, the rhythmic motion of stroking my furry body would make her calmer. Like how music calms the savage beast. When my paw parent comes home, my excited, cheery face and wagging tail always cheers her up. Regardless of her mood, she never fails to achieve her daily tasks, such as providing my food, taking me for a walk, and a drive in the car. I have taught her a valuable lesson, a lesson that can be used in the future: caring skills. Now, many people will ponder on this thought. Caring skills? Pfft, who even uses them? Now, before you start to growl, listen to me. When everyone grows up to become wiser and more independent people, we would have to take care of our families, as I taught my paw parents without even understanding their language. I am sure that they now realize that love and care need no language. I can sense their sadness and anxiety, and they understand my joy and scare. Let me ask you another question. How many of you feel pets alleviate boredom? A show of hands, please. Thank you. Aha! Boredom, especially for teenagers, is very common. However, I can actually ease boredom. Might sound surprising, but my actions make my paw parent giggle. For example, once I was having a siesta when I heard someone open the door. I was thinking, who could it be? Little did silly me know it was the house next door. My paw parent chuckled to herself for the whole day. I can never forget this incident, and the realization of it still tickles me. Pets can be a whole entire carnival in front of you. They can play with their toys, they can fall down the sofa, and do many more things that make you laugh. They understand when we are bored and we need a source of entertainment to relieve our boredom. Life with pets may have its ups and downs, but one thing is for sure, with a loving pet by your side, every day is an adventure filled with belly rubs, snacks, and the occasional squirrel chase. And that, my human friends, is why having a dog is positively awesome. Thank you. Whoop, whoop.